Hey everyone, here's a question on number line. The question is represent 1 by 5 and 8 by 11 on number line. So there are two different questions and we have to represent them on a number line. Now whenever you represent any number on number line, we have to check the denominator. Now here if you see for the first question, I'm going to solve the first question. The first question, the number is 1 by 5, right? So check the denominator. So denominator is 5, which means between every number, that is from, like, suppose I have a number 0, from 0 to 1, or from 1 to 2, between two natural numbers, I have to make a 5 equal parts. Why 5? Because the denominator is 5, that is why from between each number, between two natural numbers, I'm going to make a 5 equal parts. Okay, so let's start this. So let me take a 0 first. So suppose this is 0 and I'm gonna make a 5 equal parts, right? Suppose this is 1 here, right? Okay, so you can continue after 1 also. Next we have a 2. From between 1 and 2 also we have to make again 5 equal parts, but since 1 upon 5 lie between 0 and 1, so I'm just showing between 0 to 1. Now here, so this is 1 part, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So let me just erase this 1 here. I'm gonna make it little closer. Let me make it here. This is 1. Okay, let me erase this line. Okay, so next number will be 1, and then here it will be 2. Again you have to make a 5 equal parts, but right now it's not necessary for the first question. Now I said 5 equal parts, so don't count this lines here. You have to count the equal parts. So you can see this is 1 part, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. Now once we have done that, it's easy to plot. So after 0, the first one will be 1 by 5. Okay, then second will be 2 by 5. So it's like this is 2/5. So you have divided the 5 equal parts. The first part will be 1/5, then 2/5, then third part will be like 3 by 5, and the next will be 4 by 5, and the next will be actually 5 by 5, but 5 by 5 when you cancel it will become 1. That's why we got here 1. So you can see that on the number line we got 1 by 5 here. This is a mark. This is a point which is required. The same thing you have to do for the 8 by 11 also. The same thing. Just check the denominator and make that many equal parts between each numbers, and then that's it. You'll get the answer. So first question is over. Let's move on to the second one. So second question we have here is 8 by 11. So which means we have to make 11 equal parts between each integer, each number, whole number. From 0 to 1 I have to make 11 equal parts. From 1 to 2 I have to make 11 equal parts, like that. So here I know that 8 by 11 actually lie between 0 to 1. So I'm going to just take a number 0 to 1. So here it is 0 and I'm going to make 11 equal parts. So this is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. Here exactly we got 11 equal parts, right? Now in case this number 8 by 11 doesn't fall between 0 to 1, then you have to check for the next one, 1 to 2. Again you have to make 11 equal parts and then do it. Now like I said before, that I know that 8 by 11 lies between 0 and 1. How can I say that? Because you can see this fraction is a proper fraction, or the proper fraction of proper fraction. So all the proper fraction lies between 0 and 1. I hope you know what is proper fraction. Proper fraction means whenever the numerator is smaller than the denominator, they are called proper fraction, and always proper fraction lies between 0 to 1. Even 1 by 5 is also proper fraction, that is why I took directly 0 and 1. Now in case the number is greater, I'm going to explain that in the after solving this question. Now let's start marking it. So 8 by 11 we have. So first will be 1 by 11, it will be 2 by 11, this will be 3 by 11, then 4 by 11, then 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11, then 8 by 11, 9 by 11, and then 10 by 11. The next one will be 11 by 11. Since 11 by 11 will get cancelled, we'll get the answer 1. So already we have 1 here. So we have to mark 8 by 11. 8 by 11 is here. This is point B which is required. Now, like I said before, that I already know that this 8 by 11 falls between 0 and 1. Now, suppose you have a number, like let me take a greater number, like let me take 13 by 11. So, obviously, 13 by 11, this number is improper fraction because 13 is greater than 11. Numerator is greater than denominator, which means the given fraction is an improper fraction. So, improper fraction doesn't lie between 0 and 1, it lies between some other number. So in case suppose you have a 13 by 11, then you have to continue. After 1 you have again 2, right? After 1 you have a next number is 2. So again between 1 and 2 you have to make 11 parts, then you continue 11 by 11, then you make a 12 by 11, and then you make a 13 by 11. Like that you have to do it. I hope this question is clear. Now if you have any specific question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.